Hi there, my name is Andrew Albert, Sales Consultant with NetSuite. Welcome to NetSuite's SuiteSuccess pre-recorded demonstrations for manufacturing. In this video, I assume the role of a purchasing manager and focus on operational procurement. You'll notice that with NetSuite's leading practices, we are proactively notified when inventory of replenishment is needed. And we can create multiple purchase orders from various methods of planning in bulk and on a single screen. Let's go ahead and jump into the system. I'm now logged into NetSuite as a purchasing manager. Notice my role-based dashboard. Everything you see here is provided out of the box with SuiteSuccess. NetSuite puts a lot of focus on boosting productivity of your users. And we do this through the dashboard, where we aim to have a majority of what your users do on a daily basis initiated directly from here. Let's say I just got into the office and it's Monday morning and I know I need to get my purchase orders out. As soon as I log in, NetSuite is proactively notifying me I have specific materials that need to be ordered. I don't need to waste time and energy digging through inventory reports or working through spreadsheets to figure out what to order. NetSuite does all of that analysis for me. Instead, I simply drill into my reminder and begin working. The order items screen is my one-stop shop for all materials NetSuite is planning, be it time phase planning, factoring in demand and supply planning, which we'll cover in another video, or reorder point planning with min and max levels of inventory. I can bulk order across planning methods and vendors right from here. Let's take a look at the items we're planning for using reorder points. Notice the breadth of information I have at my fingertips. I can change vendors, although the preferred vendor will default. I have real-time inventory positioning, as well as any outstanding orders. Finally, I have one last opportunity to adjust order quantities from what is being suggested by the system's calculations. Because, as we all know, inventory planning is one of those things. It's an art and a science. We're going to have NetSuite do as much of the science as possible, but we're always going to be able to adjust these plans based on your tribal knowledge. Normally, I would need two, maybe three different reports up at once, bouncing around, trying to determine what we really need to order. Instead, I have it all right here. Now that I've made my adjustments and feel comfortable with what we're going to order, all I need to do is check the line items and submit. NetSuite is going to automatically consolidate line items that are sourced from the same vendor, generate the PO, and send it to the supplier via email. NetSuite is completely streamlining the PO entry process for direct materials. I don't need my spreadsheets and 3 different reports to build out each PO. I get all that time back to focus on fine-tuning inventory replenishment strategies. Once NetSuite is done generating my purchase orders, they'll be listed right here, where I can see whether there are any errors in processing or even drill into them to double check as needed. And there you have it. I'm done ordering the materials we planned for in just a few minutes.